Good morning, and thank you all for coming to the California High-Speed Rail Authority Industry Forum. I'm Lieutenant Governor Gavin Newsom, and I'm very pleased that all of you took the time to be here today to talk about the future of our great state. Although the press of other business keeps me away today, in fact, I'm in New York City, I'm very excited that so many of you and your colleagues have come out for this important event. And that's because here in Sacramento, including Governor Brown and our colleagues in the state legislature, we're all extraordinarily excited about this project. I personally have been supportive of the high-speed rail project since my time as mayor of the city and county of San Francisco. Actually, it's a bit of an understatement. This is the biggest infrastructure project in California's history, and it does something remarkable in combining grit and glamour in a way that few other things can. I say this for a couple of reasons. All of you in this room know exactly what I mean when I say grit. We know for a fact that an infrastructure project of this scope and of this magnitude will create hundreds, literally hundreds of thousands of jobs, both now and for generations to come. And we know that our state's economy will be better overall with another option besides airports and freeways of moving people and goods all over our state. And we know that we know that all over the nation, and I don't exaggerate when I say this, for that matter, the world economy can get a boost for the project and what this will bring. Otherwise, you guys wouldn't be here. But I think there's something else at play here too, and that's the glamour that I mentioned earlier. We're talking about sitting back comfortably, probably with a cup of coffee or tea in hand and a laptop online, while the landscape flies by us at over 200 miles an hour. We're talking about bringing the United States into the same transportation playing field as they've had for generations in Europe and Asia. I know that I don't have to sell you on this project. I don't have to tell you what it would mean for our environment, for our economy, and for that matter, the quality of life for Californians. You know, California has always had a history of being on the leading and cutting edge. We're a visionary state. We have a history of doing things others thought were impossible. Heck, we built the Golden Gate Bridge. Yeah, we're finally going to get the Bay Bridge done. We started the university system, University of California, Cal State system, and our community colleges. We're an incubator for Google and Facebook and Twitter and others. We do the same thing, we'll need to, with high-speed rail. We plan not just for tomorrow, but the next year. We're not just planning for a political term, we're planning for, candidly, decades to come, for generations, for our kids and our grandkids. So let me say it again. Welcome, and I'm glad you're here. I hope the Industry Forum is enjoyable and enlightening.